Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be doing a fight with Redbird and Mighty Eagle. So here they are. They're the Mighty Eagle and Redbird. So they're going to be having a fight, and whoever wins, you leave a comment about me. But whoever loses, no. If Redbird wins, you leave a comment about me. But if my eagle wins, you subscribe to me. So, or no. If Redbird wins, you give me a thumbs up. But if my eagle wins, you subscribe. All right. So so 1, 2, 3. And you like that, my eagle? You like that? Yeah, you like it? You like it, my eagle? No. You like it with your big belly? No. Oh, I'm bouncing. And then Redbird gets the attack. There's no way Mighty Eagle's gonna get Redbird now. But he flies too. So he kicks him down. He chases him back here. He rolls him all the way right here with the camera. He smacks him. He smacks him. And then he gets the attack by smacking him on his beak in his belly when he laid down. Oh, that made a big pump when you hit me. And then he smacked him on the side of his belly and on his face and then on the head. I'll see you later at the end of the battle. There's another battle gonna start coming over here. Two minions, Baby Stewart and Big Stewart. This one I got a long time ago. This one I got just a year ago. So let's see who's gonna win. Oh, the baby minion is getting the attack by hitting him on his eyeball with his eyeball. And then he starts jumping on him like a... And then, now it's time to go back with Redbird my eagle. Now we'll go back to minions again. It's like a... Baby minion starts getting on top of his head, and then why he didn't notice. Because he was standing on the hair, even though the hair's strong. And he starts jumping down on his eye and smacking him. Then he bounces onto his eye, and he gets on his back, and bam! He does that. He smacks his face like this. Let's do it again. Let's try it again. Oh, that could have hurt. Let's do it again. Oh, that could hurt. He landed on Redbird. And then, now, it's going back to Redbird my eagle. He puts his feet on top of Redbird because he was standing on a feather, but Redbird still noticed, and then he smacks him. Even Mighty Eagles try to do what the baby minion does. So he smacks him, and then Mighty Eagle finally finished him off. He finished the Redbird off. So now let's see who would win from the minions. The Angry Birds are over, so let's see who would win in the minions fight. If the minion wins, you leave a comment about me. But if big minion wins, you leave a comment about me. But if baby minion wins, you give me the love that I certainly need, and all these creatures. So let's see who'll win. Sure, it's baby minion because he's stronger. If baby minion wins, give me the love I deserve. So let's see who will win. You're strong, baby minion. He's like smacking him in the eye. But he wasn't finished off yet. Bam! Oh my gosh, he flew all the way to China, but not really. It just looked like he did. He flew all the way 60 feet over there. It wasn't 100 feet, guys. It was 60 feet. Now get out of here. Get out of here. So y'all guys have to subscribe to me and leave a comment about me.